The SCC SC1036 Radial chainset offers dependable winter traction for radial tires while minimizing sidewall wear, making it a smart choice for regular cold weather driving. Its cable-style design runs smoothly and quietly compared with traditional link chains, which helps maintain better ride comfort on cleared or partially cleared roads. The chains have a long track record of real-world testing in harsh climates, so they inspire confidence for trips through snow-covered mountain passes or icy back roads. A broad fitment chart covers most factory tire sizes in North America, so it is relatively easy to find the correct match for many passenger vehicles and light trucks. The compact, hard plastic storage case is sturdy, water-resistant, and reusable, so the chains stay organized and protected when they are not mounted. Installation is straightforward for an experienced user, and the design is intended to run correctly without separate chain tensioners when sized and installed properly.